Okay, the winner gets ice cream.
No.
No. Not playing who wins gets something. This is the Lucky Bob wheel press. And we have a race on who can put the wheels on the chassis the fastest. We have Brooklyn versus Vanessa. And let's see who wins. It's like Brooklyn's got one wheel on already. Uh-oh. Let's look at her technique. There you go, sideways for the camera. Thank you. Got to press that wheel right there where it almost touches the chassis, but not quite. Leave enough steel so you can see it. And it's got to pass through the tech block, And Brooklyn gets that one. Oh, she's in the lead. We have 3 chassis race. Vanessa's still working on hers. It is the, now bring your press so I can see it so the fans can see how this Lucky Bob wheel press works. Brooklyn. Square it up with the camera. Oh, now she's having problems. She had, oh my God, and Vanessa's wheel's on the floor. Well, good luck with that. I heard it hit. Okay, back over here. How'd that feel? Usually does. Oh, there's one wheel on that chassis. Brooklyn's getting the feel of this. Now, she just learned this, folks, about 5 to 10 minutes ago.
I'm a fast learner.
I see that.
On my daddy's side.
And how's Vanessa doing over here?
Probably. I just really want an ice cream. And the ice cream's gonna be for everybody.
Yeah, that's how it usually works.
Yeah, I know. I just want to see even better than this one.
They're happening on Water Street in Walden. It's right there near Watertown. It's underway at 6 o'clock tomorrow night. The weather should be perfect for this. It gets underway at 6 and goes until they can't pull no more. Admission is $7. Pit passes.
Passes, good deal. Is that your first one, Vanessa? Oh man, you better be kicking it in gear because it looks to me like Brooklyn just smoked you with her third one.
Take M34 east. Okay, you're headed for Hudson. You go through Osseo.
One wheel to go for Brooklyn.
You go through Pittsford and you go back.
This is the 3 chassis
just about the time you get past Kelly's,
double flange .275 wheel installation with a Lucky Bob wheel press competition. And Brooklyn's just about done with number 3. And that's it, folks. That's how that works. Cool.
I'm the best. I'm the mean child.
You are the smarty.